Jai Hind friends, today we are going to learn chapter 2 linear equations in one variable of class 8 exercise number 2.2. As you are able to see on the screen, question number 2, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? According to the question, from a number, if you subtract 1 by 2 or multiply 1 by 2 from the number, we have to get the answer as 1 by 8. We have to find what is the number. Let the number be x. According to the question, 1 by 2 of x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 8. Multiplying 2 on both the sides, we can get 2 into 1 by 2 of x minus 1 by 2 plus is equals to 1 by 8 into 2. Then we can get x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. Adding 1 by 2 on both the sides, we can get x is equals to 1 by x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Then in LHS, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, then we can get the answer as 0. So x is equals to 1 by 2 by 4. In the RHS, we have took the LCM of 4 and 2. Then x is equals to 1 plus 2 by 4. Then x is equals to 3 by 4. Hence the required number is 3 by 4. Question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth? Let the breadth of a pool be x meter. Then the length of the pool is equals to 2x plus 2 meter. Perimeter is equals to 2 of L plus B. As in the question, they have given the perimeter is equals to 154. So we have to write the 154 in the LHS, and in the RHS we have to write 2 of 2x plus 2 plus x. Then by dividing 2 on both the sides, we can get 154 by 2 is equals to 2 of 2x plus 2 plus x by 2. Then we can get 77 is equals to 3x plus 2. Then by subtracting 2 on both the sides, we can get x minus 2 is equals to 3x plus 2 minus 2. Then we can get the answer as 75 is equals to 3x. Then by dividing 3 on both the sides, we can get 75 by 3 is equals to 3x by 3. Then by cancelling 3 in the numerator and the denominator, then the remaining is 2. Then x is equals to 25 meter. The length of a pool is equals to 2x plus 2 equal to 2 into 25 plus 2 is equals to 50 plus 2. Then length of the pool is 52 meter. Breadth of a pool is 25 meter. Hence the length of a pool is 52 meter and breadth is 25 meter. Question number 3. The base of a isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 5 centimeter. What is the question number 3? The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Let's solve the question. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle is x centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of 3 sides. Then 4 2 by 15 is equals to 2 by 3 plus x. Then we can get 62 by 15 is equals to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Then we can get 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4.3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of remaining equal sides? Let's solve the question. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of 3 interior angles or sides. Then for 2 by 15 is equals to 4 by 3 plus x. Then 62 by 15 is equals to 4 by 3 plus 2x. By subtracting 4 by 3 on both the sides, we can get 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2x in RHS, and in LHS 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. And then by doing LCM of 15 into 3, we can get the LCM as 15. and we can write 62 minus 20 by 15, and in RHS we can get 2x, and then 42 by 15 is equals to 2x. Dividing 2 on both the sides, we can get 42 by 15 into 2 is equals to 2x minus 2, and then we can get 7 by 15 is equals to x. Then x is equals to 1 2 by 5 centimeter. Hence each equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 1 2 by 5 centimeter. Let's go for the next question. Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. Then one exceeds the other by 15. Find the numbers. According to the question, sum of two numbers is 95, and if one exceeds by other by 15, we have to find what is the numbers. Sum of two numbers is 95. Let the first number be x and second number be x plus 15. According to the question, x plus 15 is equals to 95. Then we can get 2x plus 15 is equals to 95. By subtracting 15 on both the sides, we can get 2x minus 15 is equals to 2x plus 15 minus 15 is equals to 95 minus 1. Then we can get 2x minus 80. By dividing 2 on both the sides, we can get 2x by 2 is equals to 80 by 2, and then the value of x is 40, so the first number is 40 and the other is 40 plus 15 is equals to 55. Hence the two numbers are 40 and 55. Let's go for the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3 if they differ by 18. What are the numbers? According to the question, the ratio of two numbers is 5:3 and the difference is 18. We have to find what is the numbers. Let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. According to the question, 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. Then 2x is equals to 18. By dividing 2 on the both the sides, we can get 2x by 2 is equals to 18 by 2. Then x is equals to 9. Hence first number is 5 into 9 is equals to 45, and the second number is 3 into 9 is equals to 27. And first number is 45 and the second number is 27. Let's go for the next question. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Let the three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 51. Then we can get 3x plus 3 is equals to 51. By subtracting 3 on both the sides, we can get 3x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 51 minus 3. And the answer we can get 3x is equals to 48. Then by dividing 3 on the both the sides, we can get 3x by 3 is equals to 48 by 3. Then the value of x is 16. Hence first integer is 16 and the second integer is 16 plus 1 is equals to 17, and the third integer is 6 plus 2 is equals to 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. Let's go for the next question. Sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Let the three consecutive multiples of 8 be x, x plus 8 and x plus 16. According to the question, x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equals to 888. Then 3x plus 24 is equals to 888. Then by subtracting 24 from the both the sides, we can get 3x plus 24 minus 24 is equals to 888 minus 24. Then we can get 3x is equals to 864. Then by dividing 3 on the both the sides, we can get 3x by 3 is equals to 864 by 3. Then the value of x is 288. Hence first multiple is of 8 is 288, and second multiple is 288 plus 8, 296, and third multiple is 288 plus 16, 304. Question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2 by 3, 2 and 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Let the three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, 2x plus 3 of x plus 1 plus 4 of x plus 2 is equals to 74. Then 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 74. Then we can get 9x plus 11 is equals to 74. By subtracting 11 on the both the sides, we can get 9x plus 11 minus 11 is equals to 74 minus 11. Then we can get the answer as 9x is equals to 63, and by dividing 9 on the both the sides, we can get 9x by 9 is equals to 63 by 9. Then the value of x is 7. Hence first integer is 7 and the second integer is 8 and third integer is 9. Question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are the ratio of 5 is to 7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What is their present age? Let the present age of Rahul and Harun by 5x years and 7x years respectively. According to the condition, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 56, and then we can get 12x plus 8 is equals to 56. Subtracting 8 from the both the sides, we can get 12x plus 8 minus 8 is equals to 56 minus 8. Then we can get 12x is equals to 48, and then by dividing 12 on the both the sides, we can get 12x by 12 is equals to 48 by 12. Then the value of x is 4. Hence the present age of Rahul is equals to 5 into 4 is equals to 20 years, and present age of Harun is 7 into 4, 28 years. Then we can go for the next question. Question number 10. The number of boys and girls in the classroom are in the ratio of 7 is to 5. The numbers of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Let x be let the number of girls be x and then the number of boys be x plus 8. According to the question, x plus 8 by 8 is equals to 7 by 5. Then 5 into x plus 8 is equals to 7x. Then by transporting 7x into LHS and 40 into RHS, we can get 5x minus 7x is equals to minus 40. Then we can get minus 2x is equals to minus 40. Then by dividing minus 2 on the both the sides, we can get minus 2x by minus 2 is equals to minus 40 by minus 2. Then we can get the answer, we can get the value of x 20. Hence the number of girls is 20 and the number of boys is 20 plus 8, 28. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandmother and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Let Baichung's age be x and Baichung's father age be x plus 28 years and Baichung's granddaughter's age be x plus 29 plus 26 is equals to x plus 55 years. According to the condition, x plus 29 plus x plus 55 is equals to 135. Then we can get 3x plus 84 equals to 135. By subtracting 84 on the both the sides, we can get 3x plus 84 minus 84 is equals to 135 minus 84. Then we can get 3x is equals to 51. Dividing 3 on the both the sides, we can get 3x by 3 is equals to 51 by 3. Then the value of x is 17 years. Hence Baichung's age is 17 years. Baichung's father's age is 17 plus 29, 46 years. And Baichung's granddaughter's age is 17 plus 29 plus 26 is equals to 72 years. Let's go for the next question. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present. What is Ravi's present age? Let Ravi's present age be x years. After 15 years, Ravi's age is equals to 4x years. 15 years from now, Ravi's age is equals to x plus 15 years. According to the question, 4x is equals to x plus 15. Then by transporting x into LHS, we can get 4x minus x is equals to 15. Then we can get 3x is equals to 15. Then by dividing 3 on the both the sides, we can get 3x by 3 is equals to 15 by 3. Then the value of x is 15 years. Hence Ravi's present age is 5 years. Question number 13. The rational numbers is such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? According to the question, a rational number such that when you multiply 2 by 5 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you can get minus 7 by 12. We have to find what is the number. Let the rational number be x. According to the question, 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 7 by 12. Subtracting 2 by 3 from the both the sides, we can get 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. Then we can get 5x by 2 and minus 7 minus 8 by 12. Then 5x by 2 is equals to minus 15 by 12. Then we can get 5x plus 5x into 12 and equals to minus 15 into 2, and we can get 60x is equals to minus 30. Then by dividing by 60 on both the sides, we can get 60x by 60 is equals to minus 30 by 60. Then x value is minus 1 by 2. Hence the rational number is minus 1 by 2. Lakshmi, let's go for the next question. Question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each domination does she have? Let's solve the question. Let x is equals to, let number of notes is equals to 2x, 3x and 5x according to the question. 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x is equals to 4 lakhs. Then we can get 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equals to 4 lakhs. Then we can get 400x is equals to 4 lakhs. Then by dividing 400 on both the sides, we can get 400x by 400 is equals to 4 lakhs by 400. Then the value of x is 1000. Hence number of dominations of rupees 100 notes is equals to 2 into 1000 is equals to 200. Number of dominations of 50 rupees notes, we can get 3 into 1000, 3000. Number of dominations of 10 rupees notes is equals to 5 into 1000, 5000. Therefore required dominations of notes are 100, 150, 150 and 10 are 2000, 3000 and 5000 respectively. Let's go for the next question. I have a total 300 of coins of domination 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each domination are with me? Total number of money is equals to 300. Let the number of 5 rupee coins be x, number of 2 rupee coins be 3x and number of 1 rupee coins be 160 minus x plus 3x is equals to 160 minus 4x. According to the question, 5 into x plus 2 into 3x plus 1 into 160 minus 4x is equals to 300. Then we can get 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equals to 300. Then we can get 7x plus 160 is equals to 300. Then by subtracting 160 on the both the sides, we can get 7x is equals to 160 minus 160. Then we can get the answer as 300 minus 160. Then 7x is equals to 140. 7x by 7 is equals to 140 by 7. Then the value of x is 20. Hence the number of coins of 5 rupee domination is 20. Number of coins of 2 rupee domination is 3 into 20, 60. Number of coins of 1 rupee domination is equals to 160 minus 4 into 20 is equals to 160 minus 80 is equals to 80. Let's solve the next question. Question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decides that the winner in the competition gets the prize of rupees 100 and the participants who does not win gets the prize of 25 rupees and the total prize money distributed is 3000. Find the number of participants is 60. Total sum of money is equals to 3000. Let the number of winners of rupees 100 be x and those who are not winners can be 63 minus x. According to the question, 100 into x plus 25 into 65 minus x is equals to 3000. Then we can get 100x plus 1575 minus 25x is equals to 3000. Then 75x 1775 is equals to 3000. Subtracting 1575 on the both the sides, we can get 75 plus 1575 minus 1575 is equals to 3000 minus 1575. Then we can get 7x is equals to 1425. By dividing 7 on the both the sides, we can get 7x by 7 is equals to 1425 by 7. X is equals to 19. Hence the number of winner is 19.